Yeah, so I wanna discuss you. So I wanna teach you another thing about this photo editing. That so I write an a prompt that panda and a lion, they are in football ground, both 3D animation. So here it created four pictures with different perspectives. So I wanna show you this one. You can see here also. It created with the footballs with different perspectives. So what I spent 8 tokens. Like when I generate, I spent 8 tokens for these four images. It was a very so I wanna tell you that it is a very good thing in the Cinema Studio, that in these options you can like this image, you can download from here, and here are other lot of options. You can reuse this one, you can regenerate for again this image. So and you can add here into a folder. You can create a folder from here, and you can put this picture in the folder, and then you can share, download, and delete all of those stuff, and then you can use this picture as a reference. So when I will click here, so it will add automatically here for a reference, and I can make any change in this picture. And another thing, from here you can animate. You wanna put it start frame or end frame for the video. And the another thing, this is the real thing also, they give us a lot of option here. So you can see here is a multi-shot, Inpaint, skin enhancer, angles, relight, and AI styles. So this I wanna explain you. So this is a multi-shot. So you can create in a one image using only 2 tokens multi-shot of this image. The shot that you will like, that you can extract from that image. So I will just click on it, and I will click on multi-shot. So I did not write any prompt. I did not spend too much tokens. So just I click on the multi-shot. So it will give us the exact 9 shots for the same image from different perspectives. It will analyze that the picture that of different shots, different types of pictures it will give us. Yeah, so we got our image, and you can see here. I just make the multi-shot from this image, and you can see it created in one image a lot of shots. So it will open. I will show you. So here you can see. So you can see this one, this one. These are all separate pictures. So it created this all separate picture in one image. So it did not use much more tokens. So you can see here, this one is different. This one is close up from another shot, and this one from top angle of this same shot, and this one another shot, this one another shot, this one another one, another one. So you can see all of these stuff that from one single image. So it will analyze that what will happen next or before of this image. So it's creating from that reference, so all of other shots. So you will not spend too much tokens, and you will just create 9 different shots without any prompt, without anything. So this is the best method to create a consistent character, and consistent shots, consistent lighting from all perspective, different camera angles, different shots without prompt. Just you will click on create the multi shots. Okay. So if you want any image from this one, all you need all images. So just what you will do, just you will click on that image, and you will click on upscale to 4K. So what it will do, it will process that image, and it will extract that image to here on the big screen. So it will take that shot, it will bring on this one, so you can download and you can use in the video. So you can see I just used this one single image, and I created whole 9 scenes. So like this you can create the movies, you can create a lot of different things. So maybe you can use all of the pictures for your video, or you can use just choose according to your selection 2, 3, or 1 angle or picture that you look nice or according to your requirement. So like that one. So I did not use other prompts so that I could get bad shots, or again I will burn the tokens and a lot of other stuff. Just I click on here in Paint, then I click on the multi shot. So I got those all 9 shots. So when you want to extract, just you will click and click on the upscale to 4K. So here the 4K image will come here. So let's see. Yeah, so we got our image. So you saw here, it's not going up. So you saw here and you saw here. So this is the exact same picture. I will click on this one so you will see better. So you saw here all the details same, each and everything is same. So it did not made any mistake. So exactly the same thing is here. So you can see these particles of the mud or grass and you can see here. So in both cases it give me the high resolution 4K picture here. So I can use this picture as a reference. So this is the beauty of this cinema studio of the Higgsfield. And the next thing in the Inpaint, we have Inpaint, skin enhancer, angles. So for the skin enhancer, you can do for the humans for the skin enhancer. So let me check that one. Also the angle, relight, AI styles, all those stuff. So let me show you first Inpaint option. Yeah. So we are here. So anything that we wanna add, we wanna remove, we wanna change, we can select from here. And we have to do just a prompt and it will use 3 tokens. Okay. So with this one, for example, I will select the ball. So if I wanna remove, I will select this one. I will raise this one and then I can move this one image and then undo and redo like this stuff. From here I can download, and here are the more options to the video, speak, add to folder or the publish. So all these stuff are here also that you can use here. So I will click on the speak. So you will see here that if I want to make my character speak, so I will write here the prompt directly, it will take me to the there. So this is the beauty of the Higgsfield Cinema Studio that we can use here. So let me go back and just what I need change that from here also you can add a product or a image. For example, if you want to add a product or image in the scene, so you can add from here. So just I will write that made the fire on the football. So I just click on this one and let's see what it will create for us. Yeah, so it created for us the picture. So I will click on it. So you saw here, it did not change any other thing and it just made the smoke and fire on the ball that I mentioned it, that made fire on the ball. So it made. So this is the original. You can see the difference. This is the original and this is the edited image after. So you can see this one. So you can edit like this a lot of images. Anything that you want to change, you can change. And from here you can upload image to attach with this one. So let me go back. So then the next thing, I will use this picture, and then the next thing, it's angles. Skin enhancer I will show you for the humans. Then the next is angles. So I will click on this one. So you will see here, you need different types of angles. So you can mention here, and it will generate from for you. So for example, this is now the side angle. So if you need a top angle, right angle, or any other angle that you need, you can select from here just. So will it work better for the angles or no? So that we have to see. So I will just keep this one. I don't need any zoom, and then let's see what it will create for us. From here, you can rotate the angle, that any angle you want, or you wanna rotate it. This one. So now it's from this angle, but you can see here you can rotate, increase or decrease, but I keep it here, and then you can tilt it. You can make it only 0 degree. You don't need any tilt, and then I don't need any zoom. So I just generate it. Let's see what it will create for us. So you can see here I need top angle. I select the 90-degree, and from the top angle I don't need any tilt, or I don't need any zoom in. So you can see here from the top angle, it give us the exact image from the top, the same style, same everything. Here you can see, and the same lighting effect also you can see, and the audience and the other stuff. So this is the thing that you can change the angle of the picture. Also you can upscale from here. You can make the videos. If you need any editing, like to go to Inpaint, so you can select from here. I will go back, and then there is other settings from here you can do. History you can share and download all of other stuff. So let me show you another thing. So from this image we saw already the angles. Now we have next option is relight. So if we don't like the light from one specific angles, so we can change it. So here you can see the options from the top. If you need, light will come here. From the front you need, bottom, back, left. So if I will select that from the top, I need the light. So let's see what it will create for us, because now the light you can see it's coming from all sides, but these are on the sides. So you can see here the shadows. But now I select that I need from the top, exactly from the top. So let's see what it will create for us. Yeah, so it created image for us that you can see here. But in my honest reviews, the light is okay. It's creating effect, and the cinema like this, it make these lights turn off, and it make like a spotlight. So it's better that it made from the upside the lights that we want. So already we describe here that we want from the top this light. So but the image, the size of the image, it decreases. It made the size of the image as a square, but we need like cinematic. So this is the our original picture. You can see the width, and you can see here the effect, and this one you can see the light effect. Light effect is okay, that it did a good work, but for the width, it decreased the width of the light. So it's better to describe in the prompt, or the reference image. You can select this one, reference image, and then I will show you here. Yeah, you can select it as a reference image, and then we can type here the prompt that we need a spotlight from the top angle. So like that it's better, because it will not lose the size of the image. Now you can see there it made as a scare. So with the scare we cannot continue the video, and we cannot make the consistent character and movies. So that is not a good thing. So another thing that I want to explain you, it's AI style. So let's select this one, and I will show you that what you can do with this one. So here here are different types of things that you can do with this cinema studio, and you can do here all of the lot of stuffs it provided already, the bottoms, the set stops. So all of those stuff is here that you can make to wear your character, and here is all of the backgrounds that you can use. So this is the thing that I want to explain you, that for example here already they give us two models. So if we want to use our own picture, so we can use that one also. So because we cannot wear these clothes to the animals, so let me select this background, and let me select this one, the outfit. So let's see, let's generate. So and from here you can add your reference image. From here you can select and upload. So you can wear him these clothes, and all of other stuff you can upload here your pictures. So this is the thing that you can create here. Also you can select the pose, that in which pose he should to sit or stand. So you can select here the pose, you can select here the background, and you can select here the outfit. So this is for the female, and you can select also for the males. It's different. So this is the thing, AI styles. So you can use this one as in the cinema studio for editing of the picture. So it's creating. Let's see what it will create for us. Yeah. So you can see we select this background and we select this outfit. You can see exactly the shoes, the jackets, the all of other stuff. She is wearing the same to same exactly same thing. And as the style, she was standing like this, and she's standing in the same position. So how realistic this cinema studio is doing this one. So this is the thing. Also, you can select here the pose that you select just the pose or this one. For example, this one or this one. You select the pose, just pose, and then click on generate. So she should to sit like this. So it did not create exactly that we want. So this is the error is coming. So because it's trying to make, you can see here downside, it's trying to make this one, but it could not make. So again, I will go back and I will select an other pose that let's say the capabilities of Cinema Studio, but here it's giving the error. Yeah, so you can see this one here. It's trying to make the same, but it did not create the same. So this here is not its capabilities are working very well, but it's trying to create the same pose like before. It tried, but it fails to create this one. And also, this is not the same pose as this one, but it's trying. So the thing is, uh, you can use like this one, but you can upload as a reference picture. Then you can describe the pose, or you can upload the reference image of the pose. So you can use this feature for that one. So another thing, this I will go back. So you already saw that in this case, only the in AI style, the pose is not working very well, and the in the relight, the size of the image is not working very well. So in these two conditions, it's not working very well. Its capabilities are not good. And another thing, only now skin enhancer is remaining. So let me check what we can do with the skin enhancer. So for example, I will generate here one image that a close up of uh, an old man standing in standing under a tree in a village daytime. So I will select another camera because this is the old style movies, a reflex 16 SR, and then yeah, cook s4. So these two camera are good. So let's see what it will create for us. So it will create a human picture, the close up of the face. Then I will show you the skin enhancer, how it will work. Yeah, so we get our one picture that this is the extremely close up of an old man face. So I want to show you that how this skin enhancer work very well. So let me select this one. Also, this one is much better. I think this one is much better. So you can see here, it's very realistic. So what I will do, I will go here and I will select skin enhancer. So yeah, so here you can see it's showing that soft skin. If you want to make it very soft, like it will look like a plastic or something, or realistic skin, or imperfection skin if your skin is not good. So let me click on a realistic skin. So it will use 4 tokens. So let's see what it will create for us. Yeah, so we got our picture, and that this is the after, and this is the before after. So it made most realistic skin. So let me compare both from here. When you will turn it on, then this scroller will come. So you can see here, uh, this is the after and this is before. So you can see the realism of the skin. Here is a smooth, and here is, you can see how much it's coming natural and with the contrast. You can see here and here. And okay, so for example, if I want to make it smooth, so I will click on this one, I will enhance. Yeah. So we got our picture, and now you will see here, I will compare the both the picture. This is the original and this is after. This is before, this is after. Before and after. But it did not made it much more smoother. So you can see here, this is after. This is before and this is after. So it did not make like this very smooth skin, but it's keeping it natural. So you can see how these types of skin enhancer also you can check out about this one. So let's go back and to the Cinema Studio. Also, you can make this image as a reference image, and you can type here that make his skin very smooth and like smooth, shiny, realistic, anything you want. So you just make this as a reference picture from here. Uh, just from here, you can make as a reference picture. So just you can make it as a reference picture from here. Click on here and its reference, and here you can write about the smoothness of the skin. So it will make for it. So this was the thing about the only about the image editing inside the Cinema Studio. So let's see in the next session what we will learn.